welcome back to my channel. I am back today with my Boxycharm unboxing video. You guys know that every single month when I receive my Boxycharm, I like to sit down and do a fun little makeup tutorial using all the products that I received in that month's box. I'm so excited that this particular box brings a palette because I saw this makeup look by Makeup by Eyeliner. Let me show you guys. It is so gorgeous. This one right over here, she looks fake. Like, she looks like a porcelain doll. She looks beautiful. And I think I'm going to try to recreate it with the products that I received in this month's box. As always, my Boxycharm videos are not sponsored. These videos get super repetitive because I say the same thing in every intro, but they're not sponsored. I do them because I want to do them. These types of boxes help me kind of, get out of my comfort zone because it allows me to play with products that I have never played with before and get to know new brands and all that good stuff. This box retails for $21 and you receive 4 to 5 full-size beauty products. So I have a little unit card in. This month's box is Peace, Love, and Boxy. For some reason I thought it was festival themes just because the palette is a festival palette, but I'm not sure how they go together. It's okay. I'm going to really quickly go through the products, go through the prices, and then we're gonna go ahead and put everything on our faces. The first thing that I see in my box is the Luxie 3-set brushes. This is the Summer Daze brush set, and this retails for $28, and it is festival themed. Yes, because you see the little Ferris wheel here. So it is a festival themed box. I'm really excited. I love Luxie brushes. Half of my brushes are from Luxie. They make great brushes, so I love when I receive brushes in my box. The next thing that I see in my box is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder, and this retails for $27. And this one is in the shade Summer Haze, and I love Mac Daddy's packaging. It is so cute. If you didn't know, Artist Couture is owned by Mac Daddy, and the packaging is so cute. It's like a black and white marble packaging, and then you have the product on the inside. So I'm excited to play with this. The next thing that I see in my box, this is the Beauty For Real Finish Line Liquid Liner, and this retails for $16, so it's just a black liquid liner. Then we have the mascara. This is the Butter London Power Up Mascara, and this retails for $20. Last thing that I see in my box, it is the Pure Complexion Authority Festival Palette, and this retails for $36. And the packaging on this, mwah, beautiful, love it. And the color selection, I did kind of look at mine already just to kind of come up with the look, but look at those colors, very, very, very beautiful. That is everything that I received in my box. I'm going to zoom you guys in so that we can get started. I did already do my brows. I'm going to quickly prime my eyelids with the concealer, and then we're going to move on to shadow. Let's do it. I have not set my lids quite yet because we are going to go in with vibrant colors. So I want the colors to be as vibrant as possible. So I prefer to apply them with a sticky base rather than something that's a little bit more dry. I'm going to go in with the shade Wild Child with the Carity E31 brush. And this is going to be my transition shade. And by having that sticky base, look how much more pigmented that color goes on. Super pigmented. So I'm pretty much placing this all over my entire crease. Boom. So pigmented. Love, love. Going in with a smaller brush. This is the Kylie, I don't know the name of this. This is really similar to a Sigma E25. I'm going to go into the shade Gypsy. And going into this shade, I'm going to pretty much apply this right under where we applied that pink in the crease. This shade does have a little bit of shimmer, but it's not too bad. And I'm going to really concentrate the shade in the crease area and up to meet with the pink. I'm going to go into the shade All Night, which is like a dark brown, and I'm going to apply this up in the crease, kind of make that purple just a little bit darker. So I'm just placing this in the crease. Very messy, it does not have to be perfect. Going back in with a little bit more of that purple shade, I'm just going to re-intensify the crease. Taking a little bit more of the pink I am just going to blend everything together. Yeah, I'm going to take a makeup wipe and I'm just going to wipe off the fallout because we do have quite a bit. So now I'm going to go in with a concealer and taking the brush, one of the brushes that came in the Luxie set. This is the Luxie 205 Small Shader. I'm going to take the concealer with the brush and I am going to begin to carve out my entire lid. Taking that same brush, I am going to go ahead and wipe it off in a makeup wipe, and I am going to go into the shade Free Spirit, and I'm going to put Free Spirit all over my entire lid wherever we created that cut crease. I am going to go in with the black eyeshadow. Any eyeshadow will work. You don't have to get fancy with it as long as it's black. That will do. And I'm just going to take a little bit of black. If you're curious, I'm using the one from the Manny MUA palette because it's my favorite black shadow. And the only thing that I am going to do is I am going to hug and outline that cut crease that we have created. So, very small strokes. I am just going to outline that cut crease. I also added a little bit of black to my outer corner just to make it a little bit more smoky because I noticed in the picture that she had black all around. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a pencil brush and I'm actually going to take a glitter glue. This is the Lit Clearly Liquid Glitter Base, and I'm going to take 24 Karat Magic, and I am going to take this glitter and outline that crease area that we created like she has in the picture. I'm using a little bit at a time. You don't want to overdo it. So taking the Beauty For Real liquid liner that came in my box, I'm just going to line my top lash line. So I ended up going over the glitter with this e.l.f. Cosmetics Shimmering Gold Liner just because the glitter really wasn't showing up in the lid. So I went over it with this and I really like the way that it turned out. So next I'm going to take the glitter and I'm going to draw a line going across. You don't want to completely cover that black line. You want to leave like a really thin line. Okay, so I am back. I realized that my camera stopped recording, so it did not record me doing my lower lash line or my lashes. The only thing that I did in the lower lash line was I applied a little bit of black and a little bit of purple, and that was it. I lined my waterline with a black liner, and then in the inner corner of my eyes, I applied the Fireworks shadow from the palette. And that's it. For lashes, I am using the Dane Boss lashes in the style Gold Digger. And then for the face makeup, it's the same routine that I have been doing for the past couple of videos. So I'm going to just link all of the products down below so you guys can shop it if you want to. For the lips, I have on the Kylie Jenner liquid lipstick in Dirty Peach. So I think we're up to speed with everything. But yeah, I'm not like crazy about the way that the black liner turned out. As you can see, it looks a little janky right there. I've been trying to fix it, but the more that I fix it, the more cracked it looks. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and finish off the look. The only thing that I have left to do is highlight, and I wanted to do this on camera because in this month's box we did receive the Artist Couture Summer Haze highlighter, and I'm going to be applying it with the highlighting brush. This is the small contouring brush from Luxie, but we're going to use it as a highlighting brush. So I'm taking some of the Artist Couture Summer Haze highlighter, and I'm just going to use it with that Luxie small contouring brush. I'm going to tap off the excess, and I'm going to apply to the tops of the cheekbones. Wow, that is so pretty. See that? With that same highlight, and I'm going to do the tip of the nose and bridge of the nose. And then go in with that bigger brush and blend it out. I'm going to do a little bit on the brow bone. a layer of my MAC Fix Plus. Going in with the Butter London Mascara, and I'm applying it to the lower lash line. Alrighty guys, so this is it. This is the completed look. I really enjoyed this month's box. I honestly feel like this has been the best box of 2019 so far. I think I pretty much enjoyed everything. Loved the eyeshadow palettes, loved the brushes, loved the highlighter. I'm not too crazy about the liquid liner just because it keeps fading and cracking a little bit, but other than that, I think I liked everything. Loved the mascara. The mascara was great. It separated my bottom lashes and it gave them a little bit of length. And yeah, so that is pretty much it. That is going to do it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, as always, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share the video. I love you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon with a brand new video. Mwah!